Hi everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita, right here in my kitchen. Today I would like to share my devil's eggs recipe. So come on, cook with Tita, and let's go through our ingredients. We have hard-boiled eggs here already. Like I've been telling you, I'm cooking or I'm making this for the whole battalion, so that's why it's a lot like that, okay? But we might not use all of it, so we'll see. And then we have mustard. You can use any mustard. You can use Dijon mustard, yellow mustard, honey mustard, whatever. But today we're going to use regular yellow mustard, okay? We have paprika. It's just for sprinkling on the top for prettiness. We have salt, white pepper. White pepper, by the way, it's much better to put them on your deviled eggs because it looks prettier than the black pepper. But if you don't have the white one, use the black pepper, right? And then we have some sweet relish. It's really yummy. We have one white onion. I let my food processor do it for me. But if you don't have the food processor, go ahead and chop it really fine. You know, like that. Okay? Okay. So, that's that. And then now, I wanted to show you guys how easy my eggs really peeled. See, I let it cool off completely and look. And then I took it out from the pot. Look at that. That is perfect. Okay, so this is the last of the eggs that we have to peel. Anyway, while you're peeling your eggs, guys, if there is shells like that, you know, I just go ahead and run it through the water and be sure that when you put them over here, you know, it's not dripping water. You know what I mean? Anywho, that's all the eggs that we peeled. We're going to separate the yolk from the white. So just go ahead and do this, okay? You would put the yolk over here, just squish him gently. See? Put him right here, all right? I should switch, okay, so you can see. See that? You can also go like this, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you when I get done separating the yolk from the white, okay? Okay, the last of the eggs right here. I went ahead and used everything. We're going to mash this first. If you don't have masher like me, you can go ahead and use your fork, okay? We're gonna do this like that, like so. That looks good. Let's put the rest of our ingredients. Now, our onion. Let's dump everything here. You know what I forgot? I forgot my mayonnaise. Let's get our mayonnaise. I almost forgot my mayonnaise, man. You can't forget the mayonnaise. So, first and foremost, we're going to put mayonnaise in here. By looking at this, let's put half a cup of mayonnaise. Okay, that's that. You don't want to contaminate this yet because we might need it. We might need to scoop more. So, you know. And then, this is our sweet relish. We're going to have to put about half a cup too, okay? So, about 3 scoops of this. Alright? To start with. And then our mustard. Speaking of this, mustard, that's up to you. Mustard is a little kind of spicy. It gives it a zing, okay? Let's put about 1/4 of a cup, which is roughly 4 tablespoons. There you go, like that, okay? The salt to taste. You don't want to too salty, and that goes with your white pepper also, okay? All right, so white pepper. Okay, all right, so now we're going to mix it really good. And now when you're making this, the yolk should be nice and moist, not too dry but not too wet. You know, this dish, it's really good for starter, or should I say appetizer, or if you have party, you know, this is good nibble nibble. Okay, now it seems like we need more just a little bit more of mayonnaise, so it's another, I would say, 1/4 cup. Okay, that looks like it's nice and moist, and that's all she wrote. Nice and creamy, not too runny, but just creamy. So now I'll show you how to assemble this, okay? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and fill them up like so, like that. If you want to be pretty, you can put the mixture in a Ziploc and then go ahead and snip a little hole in a corner, and then you can lay everything like this and then just fill them up, okay? If you want to be pretty. But you know, to me it's good enough, okay? So after you filled everything up, you lay them down there and then kind of pinch like this to make it pretty, like so. All right, so I'm going to fill everything up and then I'll show you how it looks, okay? Okay, so we're gonna have to sprinkle some paprika to make it pretty. By the way, you know, your mixture, your filling, if you have leftover, don't throw it away, of course not. It's good for, you know, when you're having toast or just what they call egg salad. It's good on a piece of bread, okay, with your coffee for breakfast. It's really delicious, even without the whites. I like that. Okay, so you see this? That's what the paprika does. It makes it pretty. See that? Nice. Okay, so another tips that I'm going to give you, if you're going to take this to party, be sure that the sun's not beating on it, okay? Because you know the mayonnaise and eggs, get it? You don't want to get sick, you know. So that's my tips for the day. So anyhow, guys, that's all she wrote. Aren't they pretty? Let me see. Wow. Anyway, guys, that is all for today. I showed you how to make my deviled eggs. I hope you enjoy my recipe, guys. I'll see you again when you cook with Tita here in my kitchen. And as I always say, bon appetit. Bye.